What's up, everyone? We're from the Cool Cats team, and we are always on the lookout for the sneakiest questions on the GED. Today, we've got a big one, the multi-step percent problem. It looks innocent, right? But oh, there's a trap, and it catches so many people. Stick with us, and we'll show you the power move to sidestep it and nail this question every single time.
All right, here it is, a $40 shirt. It's got a 25% discount plus an 8% sales tax. So what's the final price? Seriously, pause for a second if you need to. How would you attack this? What's your gut instinct telling you to do? Get that number in your head. Got it? Okay, cool. Don't forget it because we're going to see if your first move was the right one or if you walked right into that trap.
Okay, let's talk about this trap. It's so common, and honestly, it's exactly what the test makers are hoping you'll do.
So, what's that tempting shortcut? Your brain sees 25% off and 8% tax, and it immediately wants to just smush them together, right? It's so tempting to think, okay, 25 minus 8, that's a 17% discount in total. So you find 17% of $40 and call it a day. It feels quick, it feels smart, but nope, that's the trap.
And here's the deal. The trap is thinking you can combine those percentages. The truth, and this is a golden rule for the GED, is that you have to apply them one by one. You can't just lump them together. Think about it. You get the discount on the original price first, and then you pay tax on that new, lower price. The order is everything.
So if we can't do that, what's the right way? How do we get this right every single time without breaking a sweat? This, my friends, is our power move. We're going to use something called multipliers. It is, without a doubt, the fastest and safest way to crush these problems.
So what the heck is a multiplier? It's just a simple number that does all the work for you in one shot. Instead of calculating 25% of something and then subtracting it, a multiplier gets you straight to the final answer with one little multiplication. It's a massive shortcut, but it's the right shortcut.
And the whole strategy is just 2 easy steps. Step 1, we're going to turn the words in the problem, like 25% off, into a multiplier. Step 2, we're going to use those multipliers on the price in the right order. That's literally it.
Okay, this is the key insight right here. To find the multiplier, you have to think about what you pay, not what the discount is. So if something's 25% off, what percent are you actually paying? You're paying 75%, right? So your multiplier is just that as a decimal, 0.75. Now for the tax. Tax gets added on. You're paying 100% of the price plus another 8%. So you're paying 108% total. As a decimal, that's 1.08. See that? It totally changes how you look at the problem.
Okay, enough talk. Theory is cool, but let's see this power move actually work. We're going to go back to that shirt problem and solve it the clean, fast, correct way.
So we start with our price tag, $40. First up, the discount. We take that $40 and multiply it by our 25% off multiplier, which was 0.75. 40 times 0.75, boom, $30. But wait, we're not finished. Now we take that new price, $30, and we apply the tax. So we multiply that by our tax multiplier, 1.08, and that gives us our final correct answer, $32.40. See? No fuss, just multiply, then multiply again. That's the power move.
And hey, let me give you a little pro tip. For the official GED calculator, the TI-30XS, you can make this even faster. Just type in 40 times 0.75 and hit enter. You'll see 30. Now don't clear it. Just immediately hit times 1.08 and enter again. The calculator is smart enough to use the last answer, which saves you a step and makes it almost impossible to make a typo.
So you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but why all the focus on just one type of problem? Well, because if you can master this one skill, you're giving yourself a massive advantage on the whole math test.
Here's the inside scoop. The people who make the GED know that these multi-step percent problems, discounts, taxes, tips, all that stuff, are some of the most missed questions on the entire test. A lot of people fall for that trap. So by you knowing this power move, you're basically flipping a question that trips most people up into a guaranteed point for you. That's how you pass.
So, let's lock this in. What are the big takeaways? 1. Percentages stack. You can't just add or subtract them. 2. The order you do them in matters a lot. And 3. Use multipliers. Seriously, it's the fastest, safest, and smartest way to solve these. All right, time to be honest. Remember that answer I asked you to hold on to at the beginning? What was it? Did you fall for the trap? Let me know down in the comments. Seriously, no judgment here. That's exactly why we make these explainers, so we can all learn together and crush this test.
Hey, if this little power move helped you out, do us a favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe, because we've got a lot more of these coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.